Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Poco M8 5G phone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pattern drawn. Here you can see incorrect pattern drawn. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide upward to power off Poco M8 5G phone. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together. Just press and hold it. And when the Poco logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And now release. And you can see it will send you in main menu of Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery. Volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data and confirm. And guys, you can see back to main menu and wipe all data. Go to wipe all data, and guys, all stored data on this device will be deleted after hard reset. Now tap on now confirm. Just use the power key to confirm wipe all data. And you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. Kindly wait, it might take some time. And you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, reboot and reboot to system. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Poco M8 5G phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.